You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. 'Cause she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. And she'll never know your story like I do. But she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see the light,
Happy birthday. We love you, Lord.
Happy birthday, Arya.
Happy birthday, Nano.
you belong with me. Walking the streets with you in your worn out jeans, I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that could light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see
Shangla, joy and Laksa, I wish you a wonderful birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Arya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All this time, how could you let
Birthday to my lovely sister.
आएपछि धेरै ठुलो केक काट्नुपर्छ अनि घुम्न पनि जाने भनेको छ है
Tenzin Choyangla, happy birthday to you.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Choyangla.
Tenzin Choyangla, happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Arya. I love you so much. I just want to wish you the happiest birthday to you. Wishes to us. We love you and I love you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear sweetheart, my Hira.
Mamu and Baba loves you a lot. मेरो छोरी मेरो एकदम ज्ञानी छोरी सधैँ यस्तै ज्ञानी भएर बस्ने मामु र बाबाले भनेको मान्ने we all family members loves you a lot. You are our always sweetheart. In this situation we have nothing to give you. Hope you will
Understand.
accept this small gift
Compromise.
from all this family. So be happy and always happy and always be good. Love you, Arya.
Love you.
down, you say you're fine, I